my God! Hello everyone. Today I'm in Sunset Station Casino, Las Vegas. Look at this major over $7,000. This is very high progressive jackpot because it starts at $5,000. I loaded in $100 and I'll start with $5 bet, just to feel how the machine responds. Okay, the first bonus of today arrived, free games feature. And we got 6 orbs, and we're in hold and spin feature. Okay, $269 win. I'm gonna raise my bet to $10 a spin. And if my bankroll dropped to $250, I will cash out. Let's see. Okay, I'm cash out now, and I reloaded $100 in, and I plan to test 50-cent denominations. Hopefully we can get bonus.
One more. Buddha. Come on. Come on. Three.
Alright guys, so far I still won $50. I think I will try my final $250 ticket I just won, because I think this machine is still active. Here we go. Okay, we got free games again. Come on, Buddha, land something big. Wow, $16? Really? You should do better, Buddha. We are best friends. Come on, you can do this. One more. Yes. Oh my god! This is insane! Wow! That's why I came here today. I will spend my low-budget strategy to challenge this happy and prosperous high-limit slot machine.
Wow.
Guys, you just witnessed I won $7,000. What a beautiful moment. That's why I love Dragon Cash slot machine. The suspense, the rhythm, and those unreal jackpot moments like this one. You don't need to big bet or max bet to hit something massive. You just need timing, patience, and a good read on the machine. What a beautiful major jackpot sound effect. This made me so happy and excited. If you love low-budget gambling with high reward potential, please subscribe my channel and I will upload more videos soon. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.